Okay,
what are we looking at here?
This is the remnants of a star that has died. The sun will have a fate such as this, where at the end its outer layers of gas will escape into space and slowly drift away. It makes for spectacular, beautiful imagery.
Prepare to be captivated by the astonishing revelations brought to us by the renowned astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson. In his latest mind-bending exploration of the cosmos, Tyson unveils the remarkable and unexpected images captured by the newest astronomical marvel, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. These awe-inspiring visuals have left scientists and stargazers alike breathless, shedding light on the mysteries of the universe in ways we never imagined. Join us as we delve into this cosmic journey alongside Neil deGrasse Tyson and delve into the breathtaking wonders that lie beyond our wildest dreams. In order to explain to you what's happening, let's start from the beginning. In simpler terms, our current knowledge about the early moments of the universe tells us that there was a mixture of matter and energy that hadn't yet formed stars, galaxies, or other physical objects that we are familiar with. This period is called the Dark Ages, where there was matter and energy present, but nothing was shining yet. Over time, the matter started to come together and form galaxies, which are like cities made up of stars. This transition from the Dark Ages to the formation of galaxies is a big gap in our understanding. Neil deGrasse Tyson said the James Webb Space Telescope is now finding objects from the Dark Ages that appear to be fully developed galaxies, which confuses us because it doesn't match our previous measurements and expectations. However, there is still more data to gather from these galaxies, such as their spectra, which is like a fingerprint revealing the chemistry happening inside them. This data will help us determine where these galaxies fit in our model of the expanding universe. It's possible that they could be a new and different type of object, which would be an exciting discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope was specifically designed to help us learn more about how galaxies originated. So it's not surprising that we're finding this confusing. Neil deGrasse Tyson said that the James Webb Space Telescope is causing a problem. Suddenly we're realizing that we might have to change everything we know about how the universe began. Normally, it takes billions of years to form a galaxy like our Milky Way, which has 100 billion stars and is very old. But the James Webb Telescope has found 6 galaxies that exist only 500 million years after the Big Bang, and they're up to 10 times bigger than our Milky Way. This shouldn't be possible. These galaxies shouldn't be bigger than ours and so young. Something is not right, and we might need to update our theory about how the universe was created. Yes, we believe that James Webb will make amazing discoveries. However, the main focus right now is not necessarily to find something completely new. Instead, we want to improve our understanding of things that we already have some knowledge about. By doing this, we can learn more about how the universe works. It doesn't always mean we have to completely change our previous ideas or find something that nobody has ever seen before. Of course, those kinds of discoveries will happen too, and we expect them. But initially, we are targeting specific areas of the sky that other telescopes have already explored. We want to figure out how we can make further progress and deepen our understanding using the information we already have. Before we determine whether the James Webb Space Telescope is significantly changing our understanding of the universe, let's take a moment to appreciate its incredible accomplishments. The James Webb Space Telescope has taken a stunning and detailed picture of the famous pillars of creation, which is where stars are born. These pillars were first captured by NASA's Hubble telescope in 1995 and are located within thick clouds of gas and dust. New stars are formed within these unique structures. Although these three-dimensional pillars might look like strange rock formations, they are made up of cool interstellar gas and dust. These celestial columns can appear somewhat transparent when lit up by near-infrared light. Building on the groundbreaking images taken in 1995, the James Webb Space Telescope's fresh perspective on the pillars of creation allows scientists to refine their models of star formation with more accurate counts of young stars and better measurements of the gas and dust in the area. As a result, scientists are on the verge of gaining a deeper understanding of these mysterious processes. Neil deGrasse Tyson explained that as we explore how stars are formed, we will start to understand how they come to be from these big clouds in space. This process takes millions of years. The remnants of a star that has died are called a planetary nebula. When our sun reaches the end of its life, its outer gas layers will escape into space and slowly drift away, creating a beautiful sight. We now have better technology to observe these phenomena in great detail, not only nearby but also far away. The gas released by a dying star forms a planetary nebula, even though it has nothing to do with planets. These objects can be found throughout our galaxy. Sometimes when we're trying to observe distant objects, we come across these spiked shapes in the way, but they don't hold much significance. What we are interested in is a cluster of galaxies located halfway to the edge of the universe. This cluster has a strong gravitational force around it. The galaxies behind it appear curved like arcs because they are passing through the distorted fabric of space and time caused by the cluster's gravity. These curved galaxies are similar in importance and status to the others in the universe. To give you an idea of scale, if you hold a grain of sand at arm's length, the patch of sky covered by that grain of sand is what you see in the observation. The spikes you see in some images are not cosmic. They are caused by the way light interacts with the telescope's structure. It's like a hardware issue within the telescope. The telescope is specifically designed for observing in the infrared spectrum, which can penetrate gas clouds more effectively. This is also why fog lights on cars appear reddish or amber instead of blue. The deeper into the red part of the spectrum you go, the better the light can go through clouds. This allows us to study areas where stars and planetary systems are forming. In your eye, you have sensors for detecting red, green, and blue light, which combine to create the colors you see in your brain. Now imagine that this whole telescope is specialized to see infrared light. What it does is it can capture images in 3 different sets of infrared colors. Then, by combining these colors, it creates a colorful picture. With this telescope, we can see things in much greater detail than ever before. Beyond what our eyes can see, there is a vast and fascinating realm of celestial wonders. The James Webb Space Telescope allows us to explore this realm, traveling through light and space to discover the origins of the universe. It's like a time machine that helps us see far into the past. The amazing images captured by this extraordinary telescope have revealed distant galaxies, the life and death of stars, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Over a year since its successful launch, the James Webb Telescope continues to amaze scientists and people everywhere with its breathtaking images from space. These images provide valuable insights into the atmospheres of planets, both within and outside our solar system. The famous astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson said the James Webb Telescope also explores the majesty of other celestial objects, like the gas giant's Great Red Spot and various storms. As we venture deeper into space, this telescope might also help us uncover the secrets of distant alien worlds. Many people don't realize that this telescope is much larger than the protective covering that launched it into space. Engineers had to come up with a way to fold the telescope and place it inside the covering before unfolding it millions of miles away from where it now resides. We were amazed by its success because many potential problems could have occurred. But when it performed as designed, it was a pleasant surprise. It has observed galaxies being born at the edge of the universe. Since it detects infrared light, it can peer through nearby clouds of gas where stars are formed. When we look inside, we can see a stellar nursery, where new stars and even planets are being created. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we now have a catalog of over 5,000 exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. One of the telescope's many capabilities is measuring the chemistry of the atmospheres of these exoplanets as they pass in front of their host star. And there you have it, the awe-inspiring revelations brought to us by the brilliant astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson. How will these groundbreaking images from the JWST reshape our understanding of the cosmos? Will they challenge our existing theories or present new mysteries to unravel? Share your thoughts, and let's embark on this cosmic journey together. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the wonders of our universe.